Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to talk about how to make lychee green tea. Now, lychee green tea comes from the flowering green tea plant and is extremely high in antioxidants and has tons of health benefits. If you're going to want to make your own lychee green tea, it's pretty easy to find at any local grocery store in tea bag form or loose leaf tea. Either way is fine. Now, to get started, we're going to want to make sure that we get our water to the boiling point. So I don't recommend using a microwave for this, but actually using a tea kettle. You're going to want to fill your tea kettle with cold water, and then you're going to take your tea kettle and place it on your stove. Put your stove on a high heat, giving time for the water to heat up and come to a boiling point. Once you hear it boiling, you can then remove it from the stove and you're ready to brew your lychee green tea. Remember, having the water to the boiling point is essential in order for the heat from the water to extract the herbs benefits into the liquid. So once we have that, we're going to take our tea bag and we're going to open it up, place it in our cup here, and then we're going to add the boiling water to the tea bag, pouring right over the tea bag, making sure it submerges underneath the water. We're going to want to leave some room at the top because remember, this is boiling water, so we're not going to want to burn ourselves while we're pouring it in there. You can give the tea bag a few bobs just to help blend the water in with the tea bag, and then we're going to let it sit there for about 2 to 4 minutes, which is also called steeping. Once your lychee green tea bag has steeped in the hot water for about 2 to 4 minutes, you can then remove it from your serving cup. Now, lychee green tea, like all green teas, if you steep it too long, it's going to become extremely bitter. So you're going to want to make sure that you find that exact moment that you prefer the taste and the intensity of flavor in that 2 to 4 minute range and remove it from the water. Lychee green tea is drank just like that as is around the world, but some people like to add a little sweetness to it, and I prefer and recommend adding some honey as opposed to just regular sugar. You can add a teaspoon or two to that to your taste, and then you can enjoy. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make lychee green tea. Enjoy.